O Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and near ones. Heal the people, those who are suffering from COVID 19. Bless us, fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen. All of you, please open your eyes. So, we will continue the exercise in the workbook. Okay. So, all of you, please take workbook part 1, page number 3. Page number 3. Let me share the screen. You can see the same page on the screen also. And please be quiet. I will call out the name and they will give me the answers. So we have question number 15. Okay. We have question number 15. All of you go to the page number 3. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Now we can start. Now, Tirtha, please unmute. Tirtha, read question number 15. Question number 15, please read. DRAW. Tirtha? DRAW. How we draw?
Draw.
THE.
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 BASE. Base of.
Base of.
Very good. Draw the base of. You can see a object, no? The picture of an object, and it is a sharpener. So, what is a base? Which flat figure? Its base. Is it a circle or square or rectangle? Which one will come?
Rectangle.
Very good. It's a rectangle. So, we have to draw a rectangle. Good girl. So, please, all of you write. All of you draw the rectangle. What is special about the rectangle? Opposite sides are.
This
Well,
side.
all of you please draw a rectangle. Draw the shape of a rectangle.
Box.
Now we can move to next one. Short answer questions. Question number 16. Henna, please unmute. Henna. And question number 16. Read the question. DRAW.
T-R.
Now,
D-R-A-W.
draw.
Draw. T-H-E.
E.
The.
The BASES. Base.
B-A-S-S. B-S-S. Basis.
Of.
Of.
THE.
The.
GIVEN.
G-I-G-E-V-E-N.
Given.
Given.
OBJECTS. Objects.
Object.
Objects.
M-A-M-E.
Now listen here. Look at here, my dear. Draw the bases of the given objects. Okay. And one more question is here. NAME. Name.
Name.
THE. The. SHAPES. Shapes. SO. So. FORMED. Formed.
Fall.
Name the shapes of formed. Look at here. Look at the question and look at here. Draw the bases of the given objects. Name the shapes of form. So we have to draw the shape and we have to write the spelling also. And first one we have a. You can see a drum. What is a base? What is the outline of the bottom part? Circle. Very good. So we can draw a circle here. Now tell me the spelling of circle.
C-I-R.
CIRCLE. Good girl. All of you please write answer. Draw the shape of circle and write the spelling. CIRCLE. 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 John Paul Joby, are you drawing the shape of a circle?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Rehat Fatima, please unmute. Rehat Fatima, please unmute. Rehat Fatima. Look at the question B. What is the object? What is the object? Unmute and tell me, my dear. Okay. What is the object you can see here? Question B.
Rectangle.
See, it's a chocolate bar, no? And its shape is rectangle. So we can draw the shape of a rectangle. Rectangle opposite sides are equal. And tell me the spelling rectangle, Rahat. Spelling of
R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E.
R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. Good. Draw the bases of the given objects, name the shapes or forms. So the first one, the base is a circle and the spelling is C-I-R-C-L-E. Second one, it's a chocolate bar and base is rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. Now, those who have completed, please take page number 4. Page number 4. Okay, on good. What about the others? Shall we move to page number 4? Then you show me the thumbs up. Then I can understand. Okay, Aldrin, good. Wait, Pradap. Okay, Aaron, good. So please take page Arnav, very good. So please take page number 4. Richard, completed.
Yes.
So shall we move to page number 4?
Yes.
Okay, page number 4. And we have question number 17. Question number 17. Arnav, please unmute and read the question number 17. Arnav. I-D-E-N-T-I-F-Y. What is that? Identify.
Identify.
T-H-E.
The
S-H-A-P-E-S.
shapes.
O-F.
Of
T-H-E.
the
F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G. Following O-B-J-E-C-T-S. Objects. Identify
objects.
the shapes of the following objects.
Identify.
You can see 4 objects here. We have to identify it's a solid figure. Okay. And we have first one, A, dice. What is the shape? Arnav, what is the shape?
Cube.
Very
Cube.
good. Tell me the spelling. Cube.
C. C. U. B. U. B. E.
C-U-B-E. Cube. Very good.
Much.
C-U-B-E. Cube. All of you right answer. A, we have cube. C-U-B-E. Cube. C-U-B-E. Cube. Now, Ayan, Jijo, please unmute. Look at the second one. What is the shape of the object? B, we have?
Cylinder.
Cylinder. Very good. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Cylinder. All of you right answer. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Cylinder. C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R. Cylinder. Now, Ved Pratap. What about the question C? What is the shape?
Cuboid.
Very good. Tell me the spelling. Cuboid. C-U-B-O-I. Very good. C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. C-U-B-O-I-D. Cuboid. And Darshak, please unmute. Look at the question D. What is the shape?
Sphere.
Sphere. Tell me the spelling, my dear.
Sphere. Sphere.
Very good. Good boy. S-P-H-E-R-E. Sphere. So the first object is cube. Second one cylinder. Third one cuboid. Fourth one sphere. All of you please complete the answer.
I'm finished.
Say I have completed. Don't say finish. Okay, I have completed.
Completed.
Okay, now we can move to question number 18. Question number 18. Aldrin, please unmute and read the question. Question number 18. Short answer question. And please read the question. C-I-R-C-L-E.
Circle.
T-H-E.
The.
S-H-A-P-E.
Shape.
A-N-D.
And.
W-R-I-T-E. Right.
Right.
I-T-S. It's.
It's.
N-U-M-B-E-R.
Number.
So circle the shape and write its number. You can see a table here and having 3 columns. And the first column it's written name of the shape. And second column it is written shapes. You can see many shapes. And third column number of shapes. So we have to count how many are there. And the first question we have C-U-B-E. What is that? C-U-B-E, Aldrin? Cube. Now count how many cubes are there. Others, please be quiet. How many cubes are there?
2, 3.
3. So we can circle it first. Okay, 1, here 2, and here 3. So there are 3 cubes. So write the number 3. There are 3 cubes. Good boy. Aaron Pilijo, please unmute. Aaron. And look at question number 2. It's written here C-Y-L-I-N-G-E-R. What is that? C-Y-L-I-N-G-E-R. Cylinder. Okay. Now count how many cylinders are there.
1, 2.
Here we can see 1. Here also we can see 1 more. So altogether we have 2 cylinders. Very good. There are 2 cylinders.
I finished.
Again finish. Say I have completed. Richard, please unmute. Richard, please unmute. And look at the next one.
Ma'am, I am completed.
P-H-E-R-E. What is that, Richard? Okay. How many spheres are there?
4.
Very good. There are 4 spheres. You can see in green color. 1, 2, 3, and here we have 4. So we have 4 spheres. Very good.
3, 4. 4 spheres. ടീച്ചറിന്റെ അടുത്ത് എന്തിട്ട് പറയാൻ പോണേ
Ma'am, I have it completed.
ഐ ഹാവ് എ ഇല്ല ഐ ഹാവ് കംപ്ലീറ്റഡ് ക്യൂബൊക്കെ സർക്കിൾ ചെയ്ത് വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്
Completed.
Okay. Okay, good, very good. Please be quiet. Please be quiet. If you have completed number 5. Completed. Please take page number 5.
I'm completed. I have it completed.
Please take page number 5.
I have it completed.
It's okay. Good. You can show me the thumbs up. That's enough. If everyone is feeling I have completed, it's not good. Okay. Now we can take page number 5. Please be quiet. Page number 5, we have practice questions. Then see again we are revising the chapter 1. Okay, actually it is a revision for chapter 1. Okay, for the periodic test also. And we have fill in the blanks with the correct special words. That means the first 3 questions are related to the positional words. And here we have the first question, and it is Abel Yunus, please unmute Abel Yunus. And look at the first question. Abel, try to read the question. First one. IT. It is RAINING. Raining.
Rain.
Is it raining there?
Raining.
It is raining dash. Okay, and in bracket you can see INSIDE. What is that? INSIDE. How we pronounce it? Inside. Abel, tell me inside. Okay, other one. OUTSIDE. What is that? Outside.
Outside.
Okay. THE. The. HOUSE. House. Okay. It is raining dash the house. It is inside or outside? Where it is raining? Inside or outside? Outside. So we can put the mark for outside and we can write outside here. OUTSIDE. Outside. It is raining outside the house. Good girl. It is raining outside the house. OUTSIDE. Outside. Arshika case, please unmute. Arshika case, please unmute. And look at the question number 2. Question number 2, try to read the question. IN. In. THE.
The
TLASS.
sit.
In the class, comma, SIT. Sit.
Sit.
SIT. Sit.
SIT. Sit.
In the class, I sit. Dash. In the bracket, you can see BEHING. What is that? BEHING. Behind. Others, please be quiet. Behind. Then another word, INFRONTOF. In front of. Okay, Arshika. So we have 2 words, behind and in front of. And what is the question? THE.
The.
BLACKBOARD. Blackboard. Now once again we can read the question. In the class, I sit dash the blackboard. Is it behind the blackboard or in front of the blackboard, Arshika?
In front.
In front of. So we can put a tick mark for in front of and we can write the answer here. IN. In. FRONT. In front of. 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 In front of. All of you write the answer in front of. In front of. INFRONTOF. In front of. Now, Lysandra, please unmute. Lysandra, please unmute. Look at the question number 3. Try to read the question. W-E.
Okay.
V. W-E. V. A-L-W-A-Y-S. We always. Say, we always.
Yes.
S-I-T. How we will pronounce S-I-T? Sit.
Sit.
We always sit dash in bracket it is given U-N-D-E-R. What is that U-N-D-E-R?
On.
U-N-D-E-R. Under.
Here.
Other word O-N. On. Okay. So T-H-E. The
P-H-E. The.
C-H-A-I-R. Chair. Chair. So once again, we always sit dash the chair. Is it under the chair or on the chair, Lysandra?
On.
On. So we can put a tick mark for on. O-N, on. And write the word here. O-N, on. All of you write the answer. Okay, good, good. We always sit on the chair. We always sit on the chair. Now we have question number 4. Come and please unmute and read the question. Question number 4.
Four. Which shape has only three corners?
Very good. So what is the answer, my dear? Which shape has only 3 corners?
Triangle.
Very good. Tell me the spelling, my dear.
R-T.
Triangle. Triangle. Okay, good. Triangle. Triangle. Which shape has only 3 corners? The answer is triangle. 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 And the remaining questions, that means the 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, 10, we will do it in the next class. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, we will continue in the next class.
Okay,
All of you have
ma'am.
completed? All of you have completed these answers?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have completed, you can close your workbook. If you have completed, you can close your workbook.
I am completed.
Okay, please close your workbook. Okay, now you please listen here. We have a daily test paper today. Okay, daily test paper means we
Ma'am, I have completed.
okay, Rahat Fatima. If you have completed, please close your workbook and listen to ma'am. Okay, listen to ma'am. So now we have a daily test paper. Daily test paper means it is a test having only 4 questions. Okay, and it is based on the portion, today's portion or yesterday's portion that we took from the workbook. So the we did it in the classes, no? That means the link will be sent in the chat box and you will touch there. So it will be directly go to the question paper. The same way, today also we have a daily test. Okay. And I will send the link in the box. You can touch there. So it will be directly go to the question paper. Then you can do it. Having only 4 questions. Okay. Having only 4 questions. it is a practice, or it is a practice for the periodic test. Okay, so are you all ready? Shall I send the link in the chat box?
Yes.
Okay, so let me send the link in the chat box. You got the link? All of you got the link? I will send the link once again. Okay, you can touch on the link. It will be directly go to the question paper, and you can see it is written daily test 1, and you can type your name. So try to do by yourself. You know your spellings and all, no? So please type your name. Please type
Yeah.
your name.
Done, Sacha.
Badri Deepak,
What?
you got the question paper. Now type your name and select your class also. 1B. And we have 4 questions. And the first question we have: a circle has dash corners. A circle has dash corners.
Ma'am,
Yes, my dear.
ma'am,
Yes,
I
yes,
can't
it's okay.
open
Don't
the
worry.
link.
I will send the link once again. Okay.
I can open the link.
I will send the link once again. Okay. I send the link once again. Please check. We have the first question. A circle has dash corners, and we have 3 options also: 3, 0, 4. 3, 0, 4. So touch the correct option. See?
Oh, yeah. A shape that is round. Rectangle. Square.
Please mute your device.
Name a shape that is round.
And we have the second question. A blackboard. A blackboard has dash sides. A blackboard has dash sides. And the options are 4, 3, 0. A blackboard has dash sides. 4, 3, 0. Please switch on the video. Ved Pratap, Dhananjay, Tirtha, John Paul Joby, Arshika, Richard. And we have third question. A dash has 4 equal sides. A dash has 4 equal sides. The options are triangle, rectangle, square.
My finish full mark.
Okay, Ahlam. Triangle, rectangle, square. And we have the fourth question.
I got full mark.
I will send the link once again. Vedic Vinod, I will send the link once again.
Full mark.
You got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Fourth question is name a shape that is round. Name a shape that is round. And we have the options rectangle, square, circle. Rectangle, square, circle. Everybody good? 4
यहाँ
out
पे
of
देख
4.
कर पढ़ो, यहाँ पे टीचर जो बोल रहे ना वो सुनो, यहाँ पे बैठो बैठो यहाँ पर।
Yes, ma'am. Complete, ma'am. Full mark.
Okay, good, good, very good, very good. All of you have completed?
Full mark. I got full mark.
Only one student got 3 marks, others got full marks. Very good. Okay.
I got.
Okay, Ivan, good.
Got
Very
full
good.
mark.
Okay, good, good, very good.
Ma'am, full.
Is there anyone to submit? Is there anyone to submit?
Yes.
Okay. So we will continue in the next class. Okay, the remaining questions we will continue in the next class. Workbook questions.
Bye. Bye, ma'am.
Complete, they can submit also. If I end teaching, so you can submit. Okay. So thank you for joining. Bye. See you in the next class.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.